Welcome back to my channel. Got another update. I'm putting a new upgrade on my side-by-side. I ordered this from Massimo. It goes on the back here. It's a tool holder. Bolts up here. You can see the slots here. And then it has slots down here. But there's no real spot to put it, because when you put it up here, it ends up running about here, so you'll have to drill some kind of hole. This is the box it came in. It looks like a used box. Packaged fairly well. Had bubble wrap around it. I actually painted it because some of the edges were scraped. I don't know if that was due through shipping or what. Also has a slot here. No hardware included, no instructions included. But I think I am going to probably mount it here. Drill some holes after I bolt it to the top, and then clamp it, line it up, drill some holes through here, because you'll have plenty of room on both sides. Put a bolt it through, drill through this, bolt it to there, and that should probably be good enough to hold it. There are optional small and large tool holder clamps that go in these holes. They start at $20 for a small, $30 for a large clamp. I didn't buy them, I just ordered this. I'll probably try and find something else to put in there, something cheaper. But so far, I like it. It looks pretty cool. I think it'll look good installed. Before getting this, I was thinking about putting a tinted window in the back here like they have on the Polaris Generals, but I like this better, so that's it for now. The upgrades I did on it. You can like and subscribe and comment on this video if you like. I will leave a link in the description to all these accessories I added. Thank you for watching.